Instead of building upward, this house takes a linear approach, spreading diagonally as a single-story home that smoothly integrates with the sloping terrain while respecting the architectural character of the neighborhood. This family home, designed by Tempesta Tramparulo, is perfectly oriented to take advantage of the breathtaking landscape in Grimisuat, Switzerland. The use of wood introduces subtle contrasts between scales, juxtaposing the large and the small, the surrounding landscape, and the monumentality of the Alps. From a distance, the house appears traditional and vernacular, shaped by the harsh mountainous environment. As you approach, the cladding reveals a building that blends inherited traditions with contemporary needs, creating a living environment worthy of its exceptional location. Defined by perforated larch wood cladding and topped with a green roof, the house creates a frame for its inhabitants that magnifies the positives of the site. This is evident in the home's strategically positioned openings, which establish a harmonious relationship between the interior and exterior. Full-height glass windows define the space. A glazed window perfectly frames country views amidst the book-lined walls of the home's sitting room. A movable panel allows residents to modulate light and privacy as they please. In this room, the frank juxtaposition of a book collection with the exterior view challenges the supposed dichotomy between nature and culture, suggesting that the union of opposites can be an inspiring dialogue. Rather than increasing height to ensure exceptional views, the quality of the relationship between interior and exterior is achieved through the precise positioning of the openings. While the house's modest appearance might suggest less comfort compared to its neighbors, it instead offers an exceptional richness of orientations and environments, all while exerting minimal impact on its surroundings, both human and natural. The way the relationship with the slope is explored allows for a dialogue between what is near and what is far.